All right, so we're going to do the sample problem on the back, the one that's with the law of multiple proportions. So it says, 2 unknown compounds are tested. Compound 1 contains 15 grams of hydrogen and 12 grams of oxygen. And compound 2 contains 2 grams of hydrogen and 32 grams of oxygen. Are the compounds the same? So how do we prove whether or not the compounds are the same? The ratio has to be
equal.
1 to 1. 1 to 1. Anything but 1 to 1, they're not the same. So I'm going to make a chart to organize the information. So compound 1, compound 2. Then I have hydrogen, oxygen, and the ratio. Does it matter whether we divide hydrogen into oxygen or vice versa? No. We're just going to do H to O, but remember it does not matter as long as what? It's the same. So how much hydrogen do I have? 15 grams. How much oxygen?
12.
In compound 2, how much hydrogen?
2.
How much oxygen?
32.
So now what do I do to compare them? Divide. So I said H into O. So I'm going to do 15 divided by 12. And you're going to get 1.25 to 1. And 2 into 32. And you're going to get 0.0625 to 1. Those ones don't matter because it's kind of like a standard or a base. So the only two we're going to compare now is what to what? The hydrogens, right? So I want to look at the hydrogens in compound 1 compared to the hydrogens in compound 2. Now again, would it matter if I did the reverse? Compound 2 into 1? No. So I'm going to do 1.25 divided by 0.0625, and I'm going to get about 20 to 1. So let's answer the question. Are these the same compound?
No.
Why?
Not equal ratio.
No. And then you need to say why. Because ratio is not 1 to 1. You need to box off every answer. So you really should box off the ratio and that little part at the bottom. And then you're done.